Alright, so what we're going to do here is a quick demonstration of how to make a bar chart or bar graph to show frequency for a categorical variable in Excel. Again, bar charts are for categorical data. So when you have things that exist in groups, and in our case right now we're talking about you want to show the frequency with which those things occur, the bar chart is going to make a lot of sense. So imagine I measure something like eye color. If I measure eye color, then I might do something like want to do the different eye colors that I have. And so I got my categories for eye color. And then I have, these eye colors occur with certain frequency. So I put in the frequencies with which those eye colors occur. Once you do this, you're just going to select this data. You're going to go to Insert. Now you can use the recommended charts function, or you can actually go to the specific chart here, which is column or bar, and just go ahead and select that first option. And you see that it generates the x-axis with the variable, the y-axis with the frequency. So that's what we want. And then we could go in and just, label our graph if we wanted to do that to be specific. Distribution of eye color, right? And if you wanted to, there are other options. You could do things like add axis titles. And this allows you to specify what is on the x and y axis. So in this case, this would be frequency. And this would be eye color. You can also do things, to beautify your graph if you'd like to. So for example, I can select, right now you see it selects all, but if I click again, it selects an individual bar. And I can go and change the colors for the bar. So we could make brown, brown, and green, green, and so on and so forth. So we could go through and change all of these to be their own color if we would like to. If you just wanted to make your graph look a little more distinct, pops a little bit better, make sure that you have the individual bars selected and don't change all of them at once. And so there's an example of a pretty nice looking bar chart made pretty quickly in Excel. All right.